Welcome to the tutorial on auditing. Today we are going to discuss on the introductory issues of auditing. What is auditing? Auditing is a systematic examination of the books, records, documents and vouchers, etc. of a business or other organization, and the purpose of this systematic examination is to ascertain or determine or verify and to report upon the facts regarding the financial operations and the results thereof. Auditing is a systematic examination by which we ascertain or verify the facts about the books, records, documents, vouchers or financial statements. And the main purpose of auditing is to express an opinion, expert opinion on the quality of financial statements. What is the purpose of audit? The purpose of an audit is to enhance the degree of confidence of intended users in the financial statements. There are users of financial statements, and this audit will provide a confidence of the users of financial statements, and this purpose can be achieved by the expression of an opinion by the auditor on whether financial statements are prepared in accordance with an applicable financial reporting framework. The auditor should check whether financial statements are prepared fairly and those financial statements are giving a true and fair view, and this can only be possible whenever those statements are prepared in accordance with the financial reporting framework. What are the overall objectives of the auditor? The overall objectives of the auditor are to obtain a reasonable assurance about whether the financial statements as a whole are free from material misstatement. And what is misstatement? Whenever there is a fraud and error in financial reporting, in that case those statements are not showing the true information. That's why the auditor should obtain the reasonable assurance about the true fact. The auditor should provide expert opinion on whether the statements have material misstatement or not. We can see the auditor should also express an opinion on whether the financial statements are prepared in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework. That means we can see the auditor should obtain the reasonable assurance on the financial statements. The focus should be ensuring that the statements are free from material misstatement. And there is another objective of the auditor, that is to report on the financial statements and communicate as required by the international standards on auditing in accordance with the auditor's findings. Thank you.